Alrighty folks, welcome on board the Friendship Board. This is our last trip of the evening, once again our last trip of tonight. Once we go to Canada, we will be disappearing and you can't find us anymore until tomorrow morning at like 11. Please remain seated if possible. If you are standing, hold on tightly to a handout or a seat bag. And no smoking or vaping while on board. We should be approaching Canada in just a few moments. See the harmonious barges for our 50th fireworks show. That will begin at 9 p.m. tonight, folks. Once again, that is 9 p.m. and anywhere in the World Showcase where you can take a good look at the center of that circle is going to be the best place for viewing tonight. 9 p.m. is the same time as park close as well, and once again, this is our final trip. We actually do close at 7:30. As we approach the dock, watch your step as you exit. Remain seated. If you are standing, hold on tightly to a handrail or seat belt, and wait for our captain all clear before exiting as we are a free floating vessel based off docking. Have a wonderful rest of your evening, folks, and welcome to Canada.
Welcome to Canada. Please gather up all of those personal belongings and watch your step on the way out. All clear to disembark over here in Canada.